Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda. وحسبوا ألا تكون فتنة فعموا وصموا ثم تاب الله عليهم ثم عموا وصموا كثير منهم والله بصير بما يعملون. Translation: They thought that no harm or trial would fall from it on them, so they became blind and deaf to truth. Then Allah turned to them, accepting their forgiveness. Then again, many of them turned blind and deaf. And Allah is seeing all of what they do. In the previous ayah we studied that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned the attitude of Bani Israel, that whenever commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala came to them, they only accepted those commandments that were coinciding with their worldly desires, and that commandments that were not coinciding with the desires of their hearts, they rejected those commandments. In other words, they only took the easy commandments and left alone the difficult commandments. And they also denied the prophets of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and some of the prophets they killed. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning in this ayah that we just recited that what was the reason of their disobedience, and the reason was that they were thinking that we will not be asked about our actions, and there will not be any trial falling on us, and we will not be harmed by our attitude. Now this thought, which was a false thought, was because of any reason. Among those reasons include that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not catch them right away as soon as they made any disobedience, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave them more time, so they thought that they will not be asked for these disobediences. And the other reason could be that they used to think that they are very beloved to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not be asking them about anything, and that was also a false belief. So whenever someone has this false belief that we are the special people, we are the special ummah, we are the chosen one, they will take the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala easy, and Muslims can fall in that trap as well when they think that they are from the nation of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is indeed a great position and a great gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. However, this position and this gift does not exclude any Muslim to do what is mandatory and what is commanded by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be asking Muslims the same questions if they will do the disobediences. So when the Jews increased in their disobediences, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made them blind and deaf to the truth. They did not listen to the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and ignored the messengers of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with His mercy accepted their forgiveness, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent more messengers towards them, but even then they became blind and deaf, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows exactly what they did. And of course Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is seeing what the people are doing today. So let's pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that, oh Allah, give us a true understanding of Quran and guide us to the straight path. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.